The maintenance required light on your 2023-2024 Toyota Sequoia indicates it's time for an oil change. This system uses sensors, mileage, and driving conditions to estimate oil quality. Resetting after an oil change is crucial for accurate monitoring and to clear the alert. Ignoring the light can lead to potential warranty issues. Resetting the oil life monitor ensures the system accurately tracks your new oil's condition. Without a reset, the system continues using old data, potentially causing premature or inaccurate alerts. Accurate monitoring helps prevent engine wear by prompting timely oil changes based on actual oil degradation. If your 2023-2024 Sequoia has a touchscreen infotainment system, you may be able to reset the oil life there as well. Navigate to Settings, Vehicle Settings, Maintenance. From there, you should find an option to reset the oil life. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Note that the button method described earlier is a universal alternative. Before resetting the oil life monitor, only do so after you've actually performed an oil change. Resetting without changing the oil will miscalibrate the system and give inaccurate readings. Toyota specifically recommends using 0WU20 synthetic oil for the 2023-2024 Sequoia's 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine. If the reset fails, try cycling the ignition 3 times by turning it on and off. According to Toyota Service Bulletin SB 2024-001, this can resolve the issue. If problems persist, consider having a professional technician reset the system. The automotive industry is evolving with AI-driven diagnostics and over-the-air updates for smarter vehicle maintenance. Currently, the 2023-2024 Sequoia relies on manual oil life resets. Future models may feature remote calibration via the Toyota app, streamlining the process and eliminating manual steps.